Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, the video when I say make I talk about, I see chook my mouth for which side small. I know I say they big now. So this video about this girl, I say na girl, I don't know, girl and boy. When I say make I come still give you now so that more yeah. So but before me go dey talk about this video, I dey like more watch finish, then I will know where I dey go. So I will come put my own suggestion suggestion. So if I not right, I will still make me understand, say this your suggestion is not right, and I understand. So more I watch her. Then after I watch and finish, I'll come bring my own suggestion for this matter.
See, come see they happen for here again. See what the woman get belle. See with the husband, they disgrace yourself. Nigeria people when they not get shame. They not feel said those themselves for herself. Sister, what see they happen now? Now for settle all this thing for house now. Sister, what did they happen? No, I not video. I don't see they happen now.
Make everybody wait.
I not video now.
Before you come out, you fuck her or you not fuck her. Yes, Samo. You fuck me, but you not fuck me. You fuck me. Who don't get the belly? I give me belly.
See,
when
I travel, I travel go motor, I go walk. When I talk.
Okay.
My friend call me say there is someone with on that man for house. Now 9 months I spent for there. How many months did this belly?
This belly dey 8 months. I dey be 9 months.
Okay, now your belly.
When you come out,
now you fuck.
Now 7 months. Now you get that. That be 9 months.
Now you fuck. You fuck or you not fuck?
Now 9 months. Which kind of 9 months?
Okay, now my friend.
Which kind of 9 months?
You not fuck. Yeah, you think say now you.
Well, where do they go?
How carry
Where do
your
they go?
Because I don't buy motor.
Huh?
I don't buy
Okay,
motor.
you don't buy motor.
When you
What
dey
is that?
suffer, this day stand for
I
you.
don't take them. When
Now she plan
Now my
for
house
you.
is there. Now my house is
Stay
there.
your house.
I bet
You
see how they disgrace yourself.
Now
Another
you
man,
dey disgrace
another
yourself.
man, belly.
Now you give me belly.
Shut up.
Now you give me the belly.
Another man.
Even if she dey video me, you not consign me. Now she give me the belly. Now you give me the
Another
belly.
man picking, now you want give me. That's what they do for Europe.
Now you sleep.
Europe guests. The Europe guests, that's what they do.
I don't blame you.
Another man picking, now
You
she want
dey
give
deny the
me.
belly. You
Yeah.
dey deny the belly.
See this one, you don't know yourself. You get man, they talk to me in here.
Okay, you fuck or you not fuck.
You fuck and you not fuck.
Now you get picky. You come carry your responsibility.
Give me a motor key. Give me a motor
Which
key.
I don't give you.
You not go
You
collect
dey
the
with
key.
me. I
Give
don't
me a car
collect.
key.
Collect the key.
I don't collect. I don't come out.
Give me a car key.
I
Now
don't
give her that key. Now you give me the belly.
Tell your friend give me a car key.
You not go give you that car key. How you tell me say
When I never buy motor, when I dey suffer.
Forget motor. Forget motor. Now my house you
Now so
dey.
that they do. Oh.
Now my house now you
Once
dey.
they dey Europe, they see say the boy don dey better, don dey progress. Una come dey carry people belly.
I dey suffer. I dey wait when you come. You dey tell me say, no. I gotta remove the belly. Now I go remove 7 months belly.
Not my pikin.
Now I go remove 7 months belly. Okay, why you not be a pikin? Why you so much go remove it?
People dey call me, I dey see your wife with another man.
Now you keep
I dey
the
see your
man for
wife.
me.
See your
When you
life.
come now, you see man for my house. When you come, you see man when
That
you
trouser when I still get them.
Who's trouser? Who's trouser?
See am. I see one trouser. When I ask am, who get this trouser? Who get this trouser? Who get these boxers? What do you talk?
Which bosses?
No matter you say na me get am. Me. I don't know what thing I buy. I see trouser, I see boxers. I say I'm my house. Don't me get the belly.
House when that house when you rent. Now, since when you come out, now suffer the
Give my car key, madam.
Okay, I know they give you car key.
Give my car key.
I know they give you any car key. Carry your responsibility.
I'll call police.
When you never anything, now this girl, now she stand for you. Now she dey help you. Now your leg don't better. She don't change your
May I
leg
call
now.
police? May I call police?
You don't dey get mad.
You will be weakness. So if police come, you will
now you
talk.
give me the belly. Oh.
Carry your responsibility.
May I call police?
Now you give me the belly.
Carry your responsibility.
How you give me belly?
Who you
say
think say
give
na
me
go
belly.
take care of this baby?
Madam, come on, you not slap you.
Okay, try am. Carry your
You give me
responsibility.
belly. You tell me say,
Na the
now go
mother of
remove
your
her.
baby.
Now go remove the belly.
Na the mother of your baby. He carry your baby.
Eh.
You
Now
know,
go remove
Where
the
you
belly.
think say na you dey go?
Nobody go remove it. I said you know why they do that, but you are like they deny him. You go deny him.
Run to.
Tell the police. Now yourself you want for police for. You
Run
want
to.
your police for yourself.
Io problema qua, donna, c'è, come si chiama? Where do they call the left here? You speak English? You speak English? Yeah, hello.
There's a guy coming you no go to DNA test. You say you know they do.
When I call police.
You know they do DNA test. But you say not be your belly. Now you get them.
How is police doing this?
You go to the DNA test.
No, make
You
police
say
come.
no.
Make police come.
I tell the belly, that will not concern you.
Give me a car key.
Okay, I know they give you.
No,
You
no,
know they go
I
anywhere.
will blow you.
Carry your responsibility.
You know who is
Carry
belly.
your responsibility. You be
No,
man.
no,
Are you
no.
not man now?
You know who is belly now.
Oh, that man picking.
You shall not have
When you dey fuck her, you fuck her, you not fuck her.
No man now.
You fuck her, you not fuck her. Talk to them.
You don't dey talk with you. You don't know what happen. You don't dey talk. You
You are my friend. I need to talk.
tell your friend that you go meet you. You know the
Are
left.
you giving the belly? Now you dey talk this thing, you dey make me the vex.
So my people, na so we see more. Wetin be my own suggestion for inside this matter? You know, say every time I dey always dey talk about this matter. You understand? Me, I know there's some certain things when it be say I go see like this. Me, I know they understand. Woman say, now you give am belle. As a man, if you be really responsible man wey know the value of children, you be man wey know the value. A responsible man will not be irresponsible man, because this one is a very irresponsible man. When they run for your responsibility, you deal with her when you not get. As you come out travel, she don't get belle. You don't travel, come now. You begin deny her. You do or you not do. The woman answer, you do or you not do. Come, you as a man. If you be responsible man, the way where responsible man till they do something be say. If woman come meet you say, he get belle for you. You doubt her, you know that and you say okay. Here na Europe. They go born, they will do the pikin DNA. No be say man too dey spend for children for here. No. Why are you denying the baby then? Because you don't travel, you don't get another woman there. You see life? A shintro is always a shintro. You cannot change it. As the woman tell you saying get belle, you see her for that condition. Is there any need for you to hurt her? There's some men when they say if they're the hot woman, then they get joy. Then they happy if they're the hot woman. You don't need to hurt a pregnant woman, because a pregnant woman, she dey carry herself, carry another person join herself. She not there. She not know wetin she as in all her body, it get as it be. You don't need to put that hot join her again. Because any man when they hot pregnant woman, see, even if that woman not curse you, they curse yourself. Oh. You they curse yourself. That woman don't even need to swear for you. Because now a woman when be say he never pregnant, they don't know as it be. Now you go say that man they do good. If you don't carry baby, you know as it be. Even if you know the sick, you must feel one thing or the other. Yes. You must feel one thing or the other. If you be that woman when you know say you dey feel something and you go dey support evil, any man when be say if they treat a pregnant woman good, it not good though. It not good. As this woman just belle be so, it tell you say she get belle, what you need to do? Okay, no problem. If you be real person when you get that pity mind, okay, no problem. She go born her now. You go do DNA. That's very simple thing. Okay, as you don't born her now, okay, more we do DNA. It not finish. If you not be young, they go force you to carry her. If you not be young, nobody go force you to carry her. They're the first person to carry pregnancy. So the law when I know for this Europe, say if that woman don't born that baby don't they grow. You don't they grow. Like that baby don't reach 3 years. You don't they call you papa, and they can't find and say no be you born. They will say me you just they take care like that as far as that baby don't know you as papa, because they no one hurt that baby feelings. No, we black will not be like that too. We like to hurt people's feelings anyhow. They like to play with people anyhow, especially our Nigerian boys. They like to hurt women anyhow. They like to play with their feelings. They will get belly, they will deny them. Some when they even accept the belly, they don't be like who accept pregnancy, because the way when they will take they treat the woman, the way when they will take they do the woman. See, life is not like that too. If you deny baby when be your own, that time when you will need baby, you know go see. There's some people when they find now, they don't see. They don't see. You when you see, you they deny. For you to say, okay, no problem. But you would make the woman understand, if you born this baby, we'll go for DNA in a very simple thing. They know okay you put. Once you drop this baby, we are going for DNA. The woman not get mad. Once you say you won't do DNA, you not get mad to say no. Yes, you not get mad to say no. But no, we will just deny the pregnancy just like that. Say you don't want again, but you forget, say, the time when you were nothing, that woman say na in house. The woman say na in house, now you day. When na woman wanna na get, say na in house you day. When you get nothing. But now when you don't get small, you don't deny. Some men are very good in this. If they don't get anything, they will stay close to you, they will love you, they will cherish you, because they know say that they get something from you. They not get anything. Wait till they get something. If they don't get something, small thing when they will just get, when God will just test them. That time they're going to say, you not get character, you get bad behavior, you too get pepper body. Many character when they will can't come out. You as a woman, you will consider and say, but the time when we dey together, all these things, now so we they do, now so we they do. And you not tell me say I don't get character, you not tell me say I get behavior. Character when that man can't come out, when you don't get small thing like this, when you don't do okay, you will come begin count many character when you not get. But that time when you suffer for long, when they come, they darling with you because of what they get for your hand. You not count any one character. Men, they very used to this thing. More not change you. Enough is enough. So we women, mistake when many of us don't make, more not let and they repeat again. If you they follow man, you know get a man will take hide the character forever. Yes. Get small character when you go they bring out. Sit down. Think whether you will take all those character before you start to carry belly for her, before you start to born for her. Because if not, you will just go make biggest mistake for your life. And we women, and we know they know, because men can deceive women, and women get that soft side where men they feel they target us. Then because all of us will they fall victim because of this character of men. When they go use sweet man, I love you, will do this one, I will do this one, I will do this one, then you will come for victim. At the end of the day, now you people will still go they blame, but they don't know the outcome of when you take follow that man. Nobody know, but now you they go they blame as a woman. So maybe they watch way, because there are a lot of men when they outside to deceive woman. When they are very irresponsible man. A lot of them, especially in this Europe. So that is why we need to be careful, my people. We will not fall victim again as we will not be their victim again, because enough is enough. So I say make I can't share this thing, because when I see this woman with pregnancy, the thing touched me. Because if you don't pregnant, you go know as pregnant they be. So you don't need to suffer a pregnant woman, because that woman don't need to swear for you. You don't already swear for yourself. Accept her first. Make her understand. Say, when you born this baby, we are going for DNA. She no will kill you. She cannot say no. This is your decision. Before you take the baby, this is your decision. She cannot, she no will deny you for that your decision. But no, you just see woman like that. Okay, if you can't face stress now, may God forbid bad thing. At the end of the day now, she not feel make her now. Then you as a man, you go dey happy. You don't already lay curse on yourself. Curse when you know wherever come on for your body for life, when you will regret for all the rest of your life. That is why, because pregnancy is between life and death. If the day when woman dey labor, wetin I understand that time, they say my grandma dey always dey tell me the day when woman dey labor, e one leg dey for this life, e one leg dey for he put one leg for this life, he put one leg for death. Now when he deliver finish, he will come command that leg. So you as a man don't need to maltreat woman when he pregnant, because you don't know the condition of being a pregnant woman. So I say make I come share this for my people. So if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, I beg you subscribe and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload video, you will be notified. As you do so, thank you and God bless you, my people. See you all in my next video. Thank you all. Bye.